Hello, hello, hello! Hello everyone! Today we're reviewing the Acer Iconia Tab P11 tablet. The P11 packs an 8-core MediaTek Helio G99 processor at 2 GHz with a Mali G57MC2 GPU. It also boasts 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB storage, expandable to 512 GB via microSD. It features an 8000 mAh lithium battery with 20W fast charging. This gives us about 2 days of normal use or 13 hours of non-stop video playback. The 11-inch QLED screen offers 2K resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, and 400 nits brightness. For connectivity, it has dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, a headphone jack, and USB-C charging. Regarding cameras, the rear has a 13MP main lens with autofocus, HDR, and LED flash. For video recording, this lens captures 2K resolution at 30 FPS. The front camera features a 5MP sensor and records full HD video. It comes with Android 14 out of the box. Lastly, it's priced at around €200. As always, I've left a direct link below if you want to grab one. Now that we've seen the specs, let's move on to the unboxing. The box contents are quite comprehensive. First up is the tablet itself, which we'll examine in detail later. Next, we have the charging accessories here. First, we have the power adapter, a 20-watt one, which allows for fast charging of the tablet, along with the USB-C charging cable. And lastly, something we don't usually see included with tablets is that this Iconia Tab P11 comes with a case, not just a simple back cover, but a book-style case. As you can see, it fully protects the back while leaving the camera exposed, and also has a front cover, making the tablet quite complete. For a gift or any other occasion, it's great that this accessory is already included. So, folks, now that we've seen the unboxing, let's move on to the really interesting part, examining the tablet in detail. The tablet weighs 550 grams and measures 17 centimeters in height, 26.5 centimeters in width, and is about 8 mm thick. On top, we've got the power button, volume controls, and 2 mics. The right side has a 3.5mm jack, microSD slot, 2 speakers, and USB-C port. Left side has 2 more speakers. Top right corner on the back, camera and LED flash. Of course, the front features the display. Above it, you'll notice the front camera embedded in the top frame. As for the screen, it boasts a pretty high resolution. As mentioned, it's 2K, looks great, and has excellent brightness. Now let's take a look at its overall performance. The P11 performs quite well. For daily use like email, social media, browsing, YouTube or Netflix, it works great and delivers optimal performance. This is enhanced by the screen's fluidity, as its 90Hz refresh rate helps menu navigation and app scrolling feel smooth and look fantastic. As mentioned, the screen looks great with excellent resolution, brightness and color contrast. It's perfect for watching movies, series or playing almost any game. As always, I tested it with Call of Duty Mobile. Once launched, the graphics settings allow medium quality and high frame rate, indicating the tablet can run the game smoothly without pushing the graphics too hard. Once in-game, it runs smoothly with decent graphics. The tablet's not built for gaming, but it's powerful enough to play without constant lag. Overall, the Acer Iconia Tab P11 is one of the best value tablets out there, offering features of pricier models at a more affordable cost. It boasts a better screen than most in its class, plus it comes with a case and charger, unlike some competitors. Alright folks, that wraps up our review of the Acer Iconia Tab P. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content. That's all from me. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.